Hello traders, welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the daily analysis. And we are in BankNifty and we're going to go for famous time frame as usual. And as you guys can remember, in my previous video I told you the BankNifty can be in this range if it opens flat. And what the BankNifty did is it opened flat or near flat, and it was range bounded. It took resistance here and it took support here. Let's see what the BankNifty can do tomorrow. And if you guys follow my Telegram channel, I have mentioned that the BankNifty should have closed minimum above 37,700 or 37,800 to show some kind of bullishness, but it has closed here, and it has also consolidated here for a couple of minutes. So if the BankNifty opens flat, we can expect the BankNifty to reach this level. Okay, so if the BankNifty opens way gap down, we can see the BankNifty being in the range of 37,300 and 37,000. It can be in this range. If the BankNifty opens gap up, which is here, it can go up and it can consolidate at here. Okay, so this is our analysis for tomorrow, and let's see how the BankNifty will react. And that's all for the analysis of BankNifty, guys. So let's go for the stocks. The first stock is Bhel. So if you guys can see here, the Bhel is at its support, and if it opens flat, the Bhel can even reach up to this level, which is 197. And for the proper targets and stop loss, please check out our Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description below. I'll leave all the proper targets and stop losses there. And the next stock is infoedge. So if you guys can see here, after a bearish candle, it has made an inside candle. The stock can fall sharply again and reach this level, which is its support, which is 6,222. And the next stock is mindtree. When the mindtree has made two inside candles after significant fall, so we can expect the mindtree to break this level if it opens flat, and it can reach this level, which is around 39.34. And the next stock is Bergerpaints. Even the Bergerpaints is at its support, which is looking very weak. If it opens flat, the selling can continue, and the Bergerpaint can reach up to this level, which is 790. And as I said, for proper targets and stop losses, check out our Telegram channel. I'll leave all the targets and SLs there. Okay, thank you guys for watching. That's all for today. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much.